we can see that the Validation tab shows no project issues, and we can thus proceed with generating the network. As soon as the generation process is finished, it is time to select on which operating system the network will be running. In my case, I will select Windows as I'm utilizing a Windows machine. After this choice, we can download the generated network. At this time, if we click on the Instructions button, we are redirected to the Hyperledger Fabric documentation page, highlighting all necessary prerequisites to run the network. However, such information is also available in a PDF guide contained within the downloaded network project zip. This guide also provides a walkthrough on how to run the network and install chaincode on it. The other relevant components of the downloaded project are the BC network and chaincode folders. The first contains all assets, scripts and configuration files for the network to spin up. The second contains a few default chaincodes as well as a structure to add one's own chaincode and easily deploy it to the network. To actually spin up the network, it is enough to open a terminal, move to the BC network folder, and trigger the network.sh script, providing the up argument. Finally, to take a step back, it is important to underline that for each component and configuration, the platform provides both contextual help in flap form as well as a comprehensive wiki to both explain the relevant concepts as well as guide users to a correct configuration. The next